important lesson that I've learned in human-computer interaction, or HCI, is teaches us how people and computers can work together smoothly. It shows that technology should be easy and enjoyable to use, not frustrating or confusing. This means designing apps, websites, and devices that understand how humans think and behave. For example, making buttons big enough to tap on a phone screen or using clear language and instructions. HCI also reminds us that not everyone interacts with the technology in the same way, so it's essential to consider different needs and abilities. Overall, the key lesson of HCI is that technology should serve and enhance human lives, making tasks simpler and more efficient. Thank you.